There's Angeline here, and today we are doing some gardening and garden checkup and check-ins. So we are trying to put some mulch down here so our potato plants can do what they have to do. We're going to be coming back to this because they definitely need soiling up in here. As you can see, it's pretty low, so we're going to bring that soil level up on all of them, except for this one, which is already flowering. So yay! But let's get into our gardening so that we can have some of those tubers growing from the side of the plant as well. For our potatoes. So you just pour the soil on them. Again, this is very light soil, so it's not like crushing the plants. Well, this one, arm is loosened out. But yeah, we want them to grow our tubers in here. This one, we did use this method. Sometimes people don't use this method for this reason. By the time you come out, it grew so quickly, you didn't do the mounding method. I call it soiling up because we're not building a mound. If we were doing it in the yard, like in the ground direct sow, then we would be building a mound. So it's called the mounding method then. But since we're doing it in a container, we're just adding soil, raising the soil in the container. And what does it need to be raised? Because the soil level is very low. All right, here we are. Okay. I kind of put it in the center so it can reach the lower parts of the bag, and there we are. These are not as, it wasn't, this one here is actually about that height. So it's not, the extra inch is not going to make a difference. To add more soil, it's not making a difference. That comes with the weather and the rain and stuff. Same for this side. So I'm leaving these here. However, this one was only like 2 inches of soil in there. So we needed to add soil to let it grow up in. So that's it for our potatoes. So this is it for our outside garden today. Was there anything else that we needed to do? Oh, we need to put the holes in. We need to drain out our pomegranate. So let's go do that.